At Videoguys.com, we love portable external SSD storage, and that's why the G Drive Mobile SSD R-Series Ruggeds are Videoguys top 12 of 2017 winners. I'm going to pick this little puppy up, and it really is small. This is the drive. It'll fit in your pocket. It's that small. This drive is rugged. It is drop resistant for up to 3 meters or approximately 10 feet. It's water resistant. It's dust resistant. It is powerful. It is fast. And just look at it. It is sexy. We have the 500 gigabytes starting at $179.95. We've got a 1 terabyte at $349.95. That's the sweet spot for me. I really like having 1 terabyte of storage. I think with 500 you can get a little crowded on it, but the 1 terabyte is more than enough. This thing is, I can't put it down. I just love playing with it. It's so small. It's so sexy. It's USBC. Also means it's backwards compatible with USB 3 and USB 2. It gives you over 500 megabytes of throughput. It's great to take out into the field if you're copying footage off of your card reader or out in the field, or to just put your footage into. It's rugged. It's light. It's small. It's affordable. They've got 2 terabytes even at $699.95. The G-Tech R-Series Rugged portable SSDs, a Videoguys top 12 of 2017 winner. Great job, G-Tech.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.